Hey guys, how are you doing? In this episode, we are going to see about how to remove people or objects from photo on iPhone using AI. Apple have demonstrated this feature during the WWDC conference within the Apple Intelligence presentation, and we now have this feature working with iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max models. Sadly, these two models are the compatible and upcoming iPhone 16 models are going to be compatible, and all the M1, M2 chipset available iPad and Mac computers also compatible with this cleanup tool feature. Similar to Apple Intelligence, after opening the Photos app, when I go into the editing mode, I started to notice this cleanup tool option and it started to download when you tap on it in order to use this feature. With the release of iOS 18.1 Beta 3 to developers, Apple have finally made this feature accessible, and you can see that in the bright light conditions, if you have taken any photo, the removal of objects or the system itself automatically detects and let you know which objects can be removed easily. And you can submit a feedback based on the level of edit happens on the photo. Just if you want to share any feedback to the Apple so that they can fix and improve their detection and removal of people or objects from the photo that you are trying to edit. So simply swipe gently on the, to select the object on the photo. If it is not highlighted automatically, which the system shows, these objects can be removed, and you can simply tap once to remove those objects from the photo. Otherwise, you can manually select like this. It will have that glow kind of effect, and then that particular object disappears from the photo. You can still see the smudge marks if the selection of the product is not kind of in portrait mode or in a depth effect. As I mentioned earlier, when you take the photo in outdoor lighting conditions, with good sunlight, then the removal of objects is done much better than indoor photos or with selfies with closer subjects. This AI photo removal feature is right now not perfect, but it is much better. And for the first beta, which Apple also opened for the feedback submission, it is doing wonderful job in recreating the background of the photo that you're with the objects, that once you removed the background will be recreated to blend well with the photo. And this feature is expected to arrive with the release of iOS 18.1. So initially during the iPhone 16 launch, we won't be able to use cleanup tool on iPhone or iPad. And the iOS 18.1 release date could be around end of October. Right now we are in the third beta. So once it's released with plenty of bug fixes, along with Apple Intelligence, cleanup tool feature for photos on iPhone will also be officially rolled out. We'll share more updates about the upcoming beta features. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.